Hello, I'm Avro, co-founder at SwitchOn, and I look after the product and technology here. Today I'm going to talk about one of the most used products in medicine and in the pharma industry, which are basically gelatinous and hard capsules. The manufacturing process for these capsules is quite complex. There are different stages involved, which includes formation, molding, filling, cutting, and all these stages introduce different kinds of defects. The end outcome, if having these defects, reduces the effectiveness of these capsules and also reduces shelf life, which could lead to product recalls. This is where DeepInspect, our US FDA CFR 21 compliant AI-based quality inspection tools comes into play. With DeepInspect and its AI-based algorithms, you are able to effectively detect different kinds of defects in capsules. These include air bubbles, foreign particles on capsules, formation issues, and various other problems. We are able to effectively inspect capsules at 1.8 lakh capsules an hour and at accuracies of 99.5%. With this, the reduced wastage, you are able to effectively ensure 100% quality inspection for each and every capsule that you produce. DeepInspect is compatible with a host of industrial-grade hardware. You can integrate DeepInspect into existing capsule manufacturing machines, or a new SPM can be provisioned to meet your quality requirement needs. With this, now you are able to ensure 100% quality inspection for all your capsules, which will result in better customer satisfaction and a higher brand value. If you are manufacturing capsules and have problems that you want to discuss with us, we'll be happy to jump on a call and help you with them.